Let me ask you something. You spend hours doing research, reading articles, taking notes, watching videos, and then you still struggle to turn all that into content. What if one tool could take all your sources, PDFs, website, audio notes, Google Docs, and just turn them into podcasts, video, mind maps, slides, infographics, and a full content calendar? That tool exists. It's called NotebookLM, and in this video, I'm going to teach you a complete 12-step process to master it. From creating your first notebook all the way to connecting it with Gemini for a full content repurposing workflow. Hi, I'm Sorav Jain, and if you are a creator, marketer, coach, or entrepreneur, this is the most important tutorial. You will watch this here. Let's get into it. One notebook, one set of sources, and look at everything that came out of it. That's the destination. Now let me walk you there step by step. Step 1. Create your notebook. This is simple, but it sets everything up. Go to notebooklm.google.com. This is your home screen. You'll see all the notebooks you have already created here. Now click Create New Notebook. That's it. You've just created your workspace. Think of each notebook as a dedicated research project. One notebook per topic, per client, per book chapter, whatever you're working on. For this tutorial, I'm building the research base for my book, the Instagram Playbook 2026. So everything I add, every question I ask, every output I generate, it's all about Instagram growth strategy. So step 1 done. Now let's fill the notebook. Step 2. We need to add our sources. Step 2 is where NotebookLM becomes powerful, and it starts with understanding one thing. NotebookLM is not like ChatGPT. It doesn't pull from the open internet. It doesn't guess. It only works with the sources you give it. So the quality of what you put in directly determines the quality of what comes out. Now there are 4 ways to add sources. Let me show you all 4. The first is you upload a file. I have a PDF already, a research document, wrote on Instagram strategy. Click Add Sources, click Upload, select the file, click Open, done. Watch it appear on the left panel. That's your first source, live. Second, website link. Click Add Sources, website, paste your links directly here. Multiple links at once. Website articles, blog posts, even YouTube video links, all of it works. I'm passing 6 links right now, all uploaded. Third, Google Drive. Click Add Sources, Drive. I have a Google Doc on the same topic. I select it, click Insert, and it's in. If your research already lives in Google Docs, this is the fastest way to bring it. Fourth, copy text. And this one saves you when everything else fails. Sometimes a link won't upload, so access, issue, pay, wall, whatever. Open that link in your browser, select all the text, copy it, come back to NotebookLM, add sources, copy text, paste it in, click Insert. That page is now inside your NotebookLM as a text source, so problem is solved. 4 options, every source type covered. Step 2 done. Step 3. Web research inside NotebookLM. This one surprises most people. You don't always have to bring sources from outside. NotebookLM has a built-in web research feature. Click the web tab at the top. You will see 2 modes, fast research and deep research. Fast research gives you a quick set of relevant links. Deep research goes broader and deeper, takes a little longer but finds more. I'm running fast research right now. See these links appearing? These are results NotebookLM found based on my topic. But here is my advice. Don't add everything blindly. Go through this list. Pick only the sources you actually trust, because remember, garbage in, garbage out. Only import what you believe in. Now step 4. Add an audio file. And this is the most underrated feature in all NotebookLM. You can add audio files as a source. Click Add Sources, Upload Audio File. I have a voice note I recorded on my phone. Watch it upload on the left panel. Once it's in, NotebookLM transcribes it, understands it, and treats it exactly like any other source. So when I ask a question, my own spoken ideas become a part of the answer. Your morning brainstorming recordings, your client call notes, your podcast episodes, your interview recordings, all of it. Instantly searchable, queryable research. This feature alone is worth using NotebookLM for. Step 5, and please do not skip this one. Most people jump straight to asking questions. Don't. Before you type anything, click Configure Chat. You will see 3 options: Learning Guide, Conversations, and Custom. Always go with Custom. This is where you tell Notebook exactly what you're here for. I'm going to type one. I'm working on a book. Please generate outputs in a structured chapter-wise format with clear endings and detailed explanation. Then look at response length. Since I'm doing book research and I want detailed outputs, I am choosing longer. If you're doing quick brief or a presentation, choose shorter, click Save. From this point forward, every answer NotebookLM gives you is turned to your purpose. It's like briefing an assistant before they start work. One configuration, completely different quality or output. Step 6. Ask your first question. Now this is the moment everything comes together. I'm going to type my first question. Give me a complete summary and chapter-wise breakdown for the Instagram Playbook 2026. Hit enter and now watch what happens. Look at this, chapter by chapter with an appendix with a 90-day execution roadmap, all pulled directly from the sources I added, my PDF, my website links, my Google Doc, my audio note. This is the key thing I want you to understand. Every piece of this output is traceable. See these citation numbers, click on any of them. It takes you straight to the source sentence it came from. No hallucination, no made up statistics, just your knowledge organized at the speed of AI. Step 7. NotebookLM versus ChatGPT. I want to show you something that will completely change how you think about this tool. Let me run the exact same question in ChatGPT. Look at the difference. ChatGPT gives you a generic answer. It's pulling from the open internet. It could apply to anyone and there's no way to verify where that information came from. NotebookLM gives you an answer built from my sources, my research, my framework, my voice, and every claim is cited. That is why NotebookLM is not a replacement for ChatGPT. It's a different tool entirely. When you need creative content generation, use ChatGPT, but when you need research that's accurate, trustworthy, and grounded in your sources, NotebookLM wins every single time. Step 8. Save to notes, convert to source. And this is the feature that turns NotebookLM from a research tool into a research system. I love this chapter breakdown I just got. I want to keep it. So I click the save to notes icon. Now it appears as a note on the right panel. Good, but here is the power move most people never discover. Click the 3 dots on that note, select convert to source. That AI generated output has just become a new source in your notebook. Every future question you ask, now refer this curated output to. You're building a compounding knowledge base that gets smarter with every question. That's the system. Step 9. Select specific sources. Precision research, and this is what separates beginners from power users. Look at your left panel. By default, all sources are selected. NotebookLM uses everything, but sometimes you want to go narrow. You want to pull from just 1 or 2 specific sources. Here is how. Deselect all sources with one click, then manually select only the ones you want. I'm picking just my audio file and one website article. Now I ask, what are the different types of hooks I can use in my Instagram Reels? Every hook framework I recorded in that voice note, right here perfectly listed with the citation pointing directly to my audio file. This is the surgical research. You decide exactly where the answer comes from. Step 10. The studio. 8 powerful outputs here. And this is the section I have been most excited to show you. Look at the right side of your screen. This is called the studio. And this is where NotebookLM stops being a research tool and becomes a full content production engine. Everything I'm about to show you, it all uses the sources you have added. So before generating anything, always select the specific sources you want first, then generate. Output 1, audio podcast. Click generate under audio overview. NotebookLM creates a 2-host AI podcast, 2 voices having a real conversation about your sources, natural, engaging, downloadable. You can download it, share it with your team as a brief, send it to client, or publish it as a short form audio piece, one click. Output 2, video. Click video, 2 options, brief and explainer. Brief is short and punchy. Explainer is longer and more detailed. Choose your language, choose your visual style, classic, custom, auto select, or anime. I'm going with anime, more visual, easier to retain. I customize the focus, create a video about hook types that grow your Instagram to 100K in 100 days. Generate. While that's running, let's move through slides. Output number 3, slide deck. Your slides are ready. Look at this. Fully designed, structured, every slide makes sense, presentation ready for a client meeting, a team stand-up, an investor pitch, and you can revise it. I type one instruction, change the heading to the anatomy of the high converting bio by Sorav Jain. It regenerates with the change applied, done. Output 4, mind map. Click mind map, generate every concept, every connection, every branch linked back to the source it came from, fully clickable, downloadable as an image. What used to take 2 hours of manual organizing, NotebookLM does in seconds. And it's not just pretty, it's accurate because it's sourced. Output 5, reports. Click create options, brief style guide, blog post, strategic marketing plan, performance benchmark, content selection guide, profile foundation handbook. I'm generating the handbook, foundational steps for building an Instagram brand from scratch. Tabular data, engagement benchmarks, execution steps. This is client ready, learn ready, study ready, straight out of NotebookLM. Output 6, flashcards. Choose your difficulty, fewer, standard or more cards. Choose your level, easy, medium or hard, perfect for team learning, team training, for onboarding new employees, for teaching clients, generate once, use again and again. Output 7, quiz. Same concept as flashcards, but now with multiple choice answers. NotebookLM writes the question, writes 4 options, and reveals the correct answer with an explanation. You just turned your research into an interactive training module, 0 extra effort required. Output 8, infographic. Choose orientation, portrait, landscape, or square. Choose language, choose detail level. Stats from your sources, formatted beautifully. This used to mean briefing a designer, waiting 2 days, doing 3 revision rounds. Now it takes 30 seconds. Output 9, data table. I type create a 30 days content calendar with columns for day, date, topic, content type, and content idea. Generate an entire month of content strategy, day by day, format by format, build from your research. This is what I use every single month for planning. That's the full studio for you. Step 11, app sharing and settings. 3 quick but most important things before we get to the best part, the app. Everything you've built in NotebookLM is available on your phone. Download the NotebookLM app. Your notebooks, your sources, your notes, your outputs, all accessible on the go. I use it to review research while traveling. Sharing. Inside my notebook, click on the share button. You can give access to a team member, a client, or a student. Settings, go to settings and change your output language into any language that you see right on the screen. Step 12, Gemini integration, the full system. And I saved the best for the last. Everything we have done inside NotebookLM so far, the research, the chapters, the content calendar, the handbook, it's all structured, sourced, accurate. Now I want to show you how to turn that research into a week's worth of content in minutes. NotebookLM is your research engine. It keeps you grounded in your sources, gives you accuracy, gives you structure. Gemini is your repurposing engine. It takes that structured output and turns it into content formats fast. Together, they are complete content production system. Here's the exact workflow. Watch this live. Step 1. I take my best NotebookLM output, the chapter breakdown from earlier. I click save to notes, then copy the full text. Step 2. I open Gemini. I paste the output directly into the chat. Step 3. Ask just one line. Convert this into complete YouTube script with a strong hook and attention prompts throughout. Full YouTube scripts, hook, body, CTA done in seconds based on my actual research, not generic AI output. Now watch this. Give me 10 Instagram reel hooks from the research. 10 hooks sharp, platform native, every one of them grounded in the content I actually researched. Give me 5 carousel outlines with captions. Rewrite the key insight from this as a LinkedIn post. 1 research session in NotebookLM, 1 paste into Gemini, YouTube script, reel hooks, carousel outlines, LinkedIn post. A full week of content, all accurate, all on brand, all in minutes. That is the workflow, and now you have it. All 12 steps to master NotebookLM, from creating your first notebook to building a full content repurposing system with Gemini. Most people will watch this, think wow, that's powerful, and never open the tool. Don't be that person. Right now, open NotebookLM and add 1 source, ask 1 question. That's all it takes to start. Go to the description below. I've written 10 prompts which I use inside NotebookLM every single week for content creation, free, no catch. Just go ahead and copy paste that for your purpose. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe.